While most of the world's attention is locked onto China and its EV giants like BYD and NIO, something massive is happening out in Texas. No press conference, no fireworks, just a quiet, relentless storm building behind the walls of a Tesla facility. It's here, far from the noise, that Elon Musk's team has been developing something the auto industry wasn't ready for, the Tesla Model 2. And it's not just a new car. It's the trigger for a global manufacturing shift that could leave China scrambling to catch up. Yes, the rumors were true. The Tesla Starlink Model 2 is real. And what's hidden inside the walls of that Texas facility has already begun to shake the global EV landscape. For the first time in decades, we may be seeing China lose its grip on the industry it once dominated. Tesla executives recently dropped a statement that sent a chill through Beijing. They called it a revolutionary production system, one born out of a pre-pandemic strategy but supercharged after the pandemic hit. It focuses on vertical integration, smarter sourcing, advanced analytics, and rock-solid supply chain resilience. But what does that really mean? It means Tesla didn't just make a car. They reinvented how a car is made. The way Tesla builds the Model 2 is a complete departure from traditional methods. While most factories still follow the old-school linear assembly line, where cars are built step-by-step from one end to the other, Tesla ripped that model apart. Instead of building a car in a straight line, Tesla builds sections of the Model 2 in parallel. Think of it like making the front, back, and center of the car at the same time, then assembling them together like snapping blocks into place. This process is called unboxed assembly. It's not just faster, it's game-changing. Tesla can now produce one Model 2 every 23 seconds. Meanwhile, BYD, China's top player, is stuck at around 42 seconds per car. That might sound like a small difference, but when you're building hundreds of thousands of cars a year, that adds up to millions saved. But the real power lies in the machinery. Tesla's upgraded 50,000-ton gigapresses have completely eliminated 60 parts that Chinese manufacturers still weld together piece by piece. These presses cast the entire chassis of the car in a single go. And now, with 8 of these machines up and running in Texas, Tesla is pumping out over 1,200 chassis daily. That's double what BYD can manage. Tesla's precision is just as impressive. Their defect rate is down to 0.7%. BYD's is at 2.3%. These numbers may seem small, but in manufacturing, they mean the difference between profit and loss, between scaling up or scaling back. Now let's talk robots. Tesla has 3,500 AI-powered robots on the factory floor, 25% more than last year. These aren't your average industrial bots. Each one is equipped with vision systems that scan over 1,200 inspection points per car. Chinese factories, by comparison, inspect only about 500 points. That's a massive gap in quality assurance. And then there's Starlink. In early 2025, Tesla integrated its global satellite network directly into the gigafactories. This isn't just for fast internet. It turned the factories into intelligent, self-correcting systems. With Starlink, over 12,000 machines on the floor, from robots to sensors to diagnostic tools, talk to each other in near real time. Latency is down to just 15 milliseconds. For comparison, China's advanced 5G networks operate at about 50 milliseconds. That 70% speed advantage makes a huge difference when decisions are being made by machines every second. This interconnected system is now processing 10 terabytes of factory data every day. Tesla's AI uses that data to predict breakdowns, adjust operations, and cut downtime. Just this year, they slashed average machine downtime from 2 hours a week to just 20 minutes. Software updates are another edge. Tesla can install full self-driving software in just 4 minutes. Chinese EV companies, working on 5G systems, take around 25 minutes. This single difference lets Tesla push an extra 1,000 cars per week through their factory. While this production revolution is turning heads, Elon Musk has been quietly carrying out an even more strategic maneuver, cutting China out of Tesla's supply chain. Last year, 50% of the Model 2's parts came from China. Now, that number is down to just 15%. It's not just about politics, It's about survival in a world of tariffs, sanctions, and unpredictable trade wars. Tesla's Nevada plant has ramped up 4,680 battery cell production to cover 80% of Model 2 battery needs. They've also opened a lithium refinery in Texas, which now supplies 70% of cathode materials that were once controlled almost entirely by Chinese companies. Then there's chip production. Tesla teamed up with TSMC in Taiwan to make their full self-driving chips, stepping away from China's SMIC, which is under heavy U.S. restrictions. By May 2025, Tesla's Texas plant was building the Model 2 with zero Chinese components. It seemed impossible just 2 years ago. Now it's reality. The results are staggering. Shanghai's share of Tesla production has already dropped from 50% to 35%, and it's still falling. Even China's grip on raw battery materials is slipping. Tesla's recycling program now covers 30% of its own material needs, bypassing China's dominance in lithium and cobalt. Bit by bit, Tesla is cutting the cords that once made it dependent on China. By 2026, tariffs will crush Chinese EV exports to the US and Europe, with 100% and 35% duties respectively. That means even if BYD sells 4.5 million cars this year, their growth could freeze, while Tesla's Giga Texas keeps ramping up production, immune from these penalties. Emerging markets are also in Tesla's sights. In 2025, Tesla opened its first stores in India, where the Model 2 is already cheaper than Chinese imports weighed down by tariffs. And with Tesla expected to hit 3 million vehicle sales globally next year, they're aiming to surpass BYD and grab a 15% global EV share. From a vehicle built 45% faster to one costing thousands less, with near-zero defects, no Chinese parts, and satellites powering every step of production, Tesla hasn't just made a car. They've built a system that could permanently shift the balance of global manufacturing power. The question isn't whether China can catch up. It's whether anyone can.